Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we're exploring the difference between being joyful and chasing happiness.
Sometimes the next purchase, promotion, or holiday looks like the answer, but the good feeling may not last.
Let's begin with 7 useful sentences about this idea.
Joy can appear in a very ordinary moment.
I felt peaceful, even though the day was not perfect.
A new purchase made me happy for only a short time.
I stopped waiting for everything to go my way.
My mood changed, but my quiet joy remained.
I enjoyed the journey instead of chasing the result.
A simple cup of tea was enough for that moment.
Now, let's hear how this difference appears in everyday life.
Noah, have you ever planned something exciting and still felt strangely flat afterwards?
Yes, after buying a new phone, actually. I was thrilled for 2 days.
Only 2 days?
Maybe 3. Then it became the same rectangle I checked every 5 minutes.
That sounds familiar. We often imagine one event will keep us happy for a long time.
A holiday can feel like that too. The planning is exciting, the trip is lovely, and then Monday returns.
Monday has excellent timing.
It really does. But I once noticed something different on a normal Tuesday.
What happened?
I was washing dishes, music was playing, and I suddenly felt completely content.
Nothing special had happened, but the moment still felt good.
Exactly. I was not celebrating a success or escaping a problem.
So happiness was linked to getting something, while joy appeared without a big reason.
That is how it felt. One depended on the situation, and the other felt quieter.
Oh, I had a similar moment while walking home after a difficult day.
Was the problem solved?
No, but the cool air and evening light made the day feel less heavy.
I like that. The difficulty was still there, but it was not the whole experience.
Perhaps joy does not always remove the problem. It simply sits beside it.
Let's practice 8 more sentences that explore that quieter kind of joy.
I can enjoy today without needing it to be exciting.
Good news lifts me, but it does not define me.
I noticed a small moment that I usually miss.
Comparison turned a good day into an unhappy one.
The celebration ended, but the warm feeling stayed.
I laughed with my family and forgot about the clock.
Even disappointment left room for something gentle.
I felt grateful without making a list of reasons. The sentence about comparison reminds me of social media.
Me too. A quiet Saturday can feel lovely until someone posts photos from a tropical island.
Suddenly, the sofa looks like a personal failure.
Exactly. Nothing changed in the room, but the comparison changed the feeling.
Last weekend, I stayed home and cooked with my sister.
That sounds simple.
It was, but we laughed, burnt one pancake, and ate the others standing in the kitchen.
Was that happiness or joy?
Maybe both. The laughter made me happy, but the closeness felt deeper and stayed with me.
That makes sense. A pleasant event can open the door, but the lasting part may come from being fully there.
And difficult moments can hold something similar. A friend once sat beside me when neither of us knew what to say.
There was no cheerful solution, but the silence did not feel empty.
Perhaps joy is not a perfect life, but a quiet sense of being alive within an imperfect one.
Well done for completing today's lesson.
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice the expressions that feel useful to you.
Speak them out loud and let the rhythm become familiar.
See you in the next lesson.